Hi, what I'm going to show you is how to make a paper popper is look like this. We need a paper ticket. First you're going to do is fold this in half. Then fold this into the line. Fold this into the line. Oh. Then fold it again.
Oh, tapos na. Na. Ikaw na mag-label.
Then fold this in the
Wala akong
head.
kinukopyahan eh.
Fold this in the head. Then,
Oh, walang pangalan.
okay, you can see it's like, then you can see this. Okay. Then you can see in here is opening. Then in here is loose. Then you're gonna pull this like that. Oh, pull. Not pull. Or just like that. Then just like that, you can see the. Then you can see it has no here. There's some, and here's down on and the end. So it looks like popping. Like it pops like this. Oh, so you're gonna turn it. Oh, you're gonna hold in. You can see again. You can hold in here. Then you can hold in here. So just it bombs like this. I will hold in here so for easy. Slow. Nice. Let my brother. Okay. Come on, take it. That makes noise. Okay, I'm gonna return. Slow motion. Okay.
Ay, kukuhan. Itong mga colored paper.
So I'm gonna return it.
Barangay Color.
Kasi kailangan ko na gusto sa akin na red bang kulay.
Sorry for that.
Para malaman na kung gaano
Oh my bar.
lumapit yata ang Palawan sa Mindanao.
Okay. That you can see I try in here and first then try in here. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that's not loud, but this is loud. If you hold in here and here, not in here, if you hold, okay, you can see. Oh, if you hold in here,
Yung bag naman
it makes loud noise. Okay, 1, again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna try again. So, for the
hindi yung ano, yung
makes
mga
loud.
pentel pen, ay mga
1, 2,
ang tawag yan.
oh, it's loud. Thank you.
Yung may mga crayons.